to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a sign